first time I come in is like the month already earn like 20+% of profit.
How much money have you made since joining Kalisto?
I think plus minus 3-4k. Current withdrawal from prop firm is 2.4k, but 80% of it. So it's like 1.8k.
1.8k withdrawals in terms of real cash.
USD.
In
Yeah, real
USD.
cash. Yeah.
Wow, very. Thank you, Endy, right, for sparing some time, right, to head down for this interview, right, to giving me the chance to give you this interview, right. So before we begin this interview proper, can you introduce yourself to the audience? What's your name? How long have you been trading? How old are you? What are you currently working as? And what is your most recent withdrawal or profits made?
Okay. I'm Endy, 35 years old, working as an engineer. My current withdrawal from prop firm is around 2.4k, but 80% of it. So it's like 1.8k.
1.8k withdrawals in terms of real cash.
USD.
In
Yeah, real
USD.
cash. Yeah.
Wow, very good.
Yeah.
And how long have you been trading?
Since from joining Kalisto or
Just your
myself?
trading journey overall. Like when you joined Kalisto
Okay,
and
my
when do you
trading
start?
journey, so until now I think got close to 10 years, but in front is not so consistent. So only after joining Kalisto, then the result become a bit more consistent.
So how much money have you made since joining Kalisto, or how many percent have you gained?
I think plus minus 4k.
Wow, 3-4k from joining
Because
Kalisto.
yeah, for my firm account, I bought it using last time that I made through Kalisto around 2k USD.
Wow, amazing stuff, Andy. And before you joined Kalisto, like what trading style? Where do you learn trading from? What trading style do you adopt?
Actually, just from internet, like, but for me, I'm also more of a like clean chart person, but because no one is there to guide you, so but sometimes you also don't know whether you are doing the right thing or the wrong thing. So difficult to get a consistent result,
Okay. Were you profitable like before you joined us?
Got but not consistent,
Okay. How much do you make before you joined us?
because last time my mentality is I start with something small. I bought some account, but something small, only like few hundred or 1,000, something like this.
Okay.
But because then I can't really see the money coming. But only when after I see that time that I really put in some money into my account, then I really see like some really can do something, because like what you say, all these things, like you really then you can see the risk management, all these things. Your too small account, you can't really see all these things.
Oh, amazing. And you made $2,000 before getting a prop firm.
Yeah.
So what was your initial capital?
Can't remember, maybe a 2-3k, something like this.
2-3. So you
But
doubled your account.
during that time, the June, it's quite a good month, because first time I come in is like the month already earn like 20+% of profit. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So you joined us back in June, correct?
Yeah.
So you doubled your account in 5 months, 6 months, consistently. Now based on slow, consistent growth.
Not every month double, but yeah, at least even when not earning also there won't be really a losing month.
Okay, I see. So your account has been steadily growing from June till now. So what was your account size from June?
Because in between I got put in some money, then I would say that I grow bit by bit, a few percent every month, something like this.
Okay, on average, how many percent? Let's say you average it out.
Average it 3-4%, something like this.
Okay, 3 to 4% consistent growth per month from June till now.
Yeah, but good months will be more yeah.
So Andy, before you discovered us, right? Before you became more consistent, what do you do before this? Actually? Like you said, you were an engineer. Like, will you mind elaborating a little bit more about it?
Okay. As in my strategy before that.
Like like I would say elaborate a little bit more. Like what do you do before, and how do you get into trading? Yeah.
Last time I'm using like 50 moving average. Then because as in all of this knowledge is I get from trading with Rainer. He got show some statistics, all this like 50 moving average. Then you must be consistent especially your psychology part Yeah. Then so using that, then when price at the 50 moving average, then you buy or short, then previous high or low in previous yeah, something like this
Okay. So how do you get started trading? How do you find about trading it? What actually got you into trading?
Okay, because I like trading, because one thing is like trading is like I can go anywhere in the world to work as long as I have a computer or a laptop. Yeah, and the internet. I can work anywhere. Some people will like it, but some people won't like it. Like for me, I don't like a 9 to 5 job. So it's like more freedom for me. So I started to learn a skill, a skill as trading better than working forever in the office job.
Okay. So you are someone that don't really like to work in an office, that don't really like to be constrained
Yeah,
by time. So you just want to have like, you want to be your own boss. Like,
something like this. Last time I also keep doing my own business,
oh, what business did you do actually? What happened?
selling food before, trading like car grooming before, then taking clothes from KL to sell to Singapore before. Yeah, all
None
these.
of them like worked out well for you lah.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. I mean, now you have trading, it should be fine lah, right? It's considering
yeah,
that every
slowly,
month.
slowly, bit by bit lah. At least it's a skill for long term lah.
Correct, correct. Okay. So how do you find out about Kalisto then?
Okay, actually, for me to find out about Kalisto, just some random, I was scrolling through TikTok. Then at first I was a bit, I sort of skeptical about it. And very good thing is Kalisto never asked us for money at all. No need to give any money and someone to guide us also. For someone that want to learn something, it's really a good choice to be there.
Oh, okay. You said you came from TikTok. Which stream was it? Do you remember?
Remember already. I just some random scrolling.
Oh,
Then just now I see one Kalisto. Then just join it.
on FIP lah. Then you saw the stream. Ah, okay, okay.
Like something Rolex on something like Rolex or something.
So you took the trade from the live stream lah. Do you remember which particular trade? Which pair was it? No.
So
Okay.
can't remember. Yeah.
Can't remember lah. Okay, no worries, no
Yeah.
worries. Okay, so actually, what about the stream that made you feel like I was the person for you?
I think during the June month, I think the person that doing the stream should be Nick.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Good thing is his stop loss is small, easier to hit the profit. As in, even if lose is lose a small portion. But one thing is, I feel like more to your trading style. So the BE is a good thing to protect the account. I feel less stress using the strategies to trade.
Then what was the push that led you to join Kalisto?
Just give it a try one time and see.
Okay, but is there any specific thing that pushed you forward?
No. See, I think it's the myself. If you really want this thing, then you just go for it.
Let's let's say, because right now I understand you are still working from home as an engineer. So let's say let's compare your current engineer job and versus trading, right? Which one do you think is easier actually? Which one do you think has a better ROI for your time?
For me personally, I like trading more because more freedom of time. Because for trading, when you don't have a large capital, you won't be able to like earn so much from an office job, normal office job. And maybe some people like office job, 9 to 5 job, then stable every month, just don't need to do anything, but their income is stable lah. So I am like a person that not so stable, never mind. Like when you got more money, you live more comfortably.
Okay, so basically, I would say you long story short, you like trading more than your current engineer job lah.
Yeah.
Do you
actually,
see yourself being a full-time trader?
Yeah, I think when next time because for me currently now my job also helping a family member, so it's like it's more flexible.
Oh, your engineer job is also from your family
Yeah,
member
yeah.
lah. So that's why
Yeah.
it's very, very flexible. Okay. But trading is your passion lah, from what I heard. You're having consistent gains from trading, and you also managed to, in a way, double your capital since June, right? You made about 2+K, currently up about 3-4K overall net from trading after joining
Yeah.
Kalisto, right? So, would you mind going through what was your trading journey like from the start of Kalisto till today? Like, do you mind like giving me some numbers, sharing some numbers, so people can understand or rather better understand your trading journey?
Start trading like around 2-3K. I work as my engineer job give me sort of a pay to fund these forex things as well. So on the way then earn from Kalisto and put in some money, as in consistently put in some money and wins from the market. Only this then you will be able to like get your account bigger and bigger, then you can open a higher trade and keep your risk management to like around 3% in order not to bust your account lah.
Okay. So, how do you follow all these rules at the start of your journey?
Yeah, because before that I already sort of a trader, but not so successful trader. But and I bust quite a few accounts before, but those accounts are quite small lah. So like a few hundred like this. But you play small, but you won't be able to see like the risk management set to be all these things.
And after
But
you
good
join,
thing is that
sorry.
I didn't bust a really a big account lah.
And after you join Kalisto, what's the difference?
Yeah, I start to like put in more money already, then when I trade, so I know the as in all those risk managements, all these.
So basically, risk management lah. That's what you learn from
Yeah,
Kalisto lah. Would you say you are profitable before you join Kalisto?
profitable maybe a bit only lah.
Let's say you were to compare before you join Kalisto and after you join Kalisto, what's the difference?
Okay, a big difference is last time is like I using my own strategy to trade. Maybe example I win one is like 50 pips, then I lose another one like 30 or 40 pips. It's like win lose like this. So sometimes mostly it's break even lah. Yeah. But for now using the WCR, as in you take partial but you still leave the position running. But in the end you able to gain more instead of like by last time trading 50, 30, 40, you can't really see the gains.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So, Andy, what would you say is your biggest challenge you face while trading?
The funds that you have. For me, if you don't have the prop firm money so much your prop firm money, 200k, you won't be able to really achieve until 2.4k profit. Unless you have a deep pocket. Unless you have a deep pocket to put in the 200k fund. But one thing for a prop firm is definitely they give you the 200k, then you got a lot of regulation like 4%, 8%, all these. Then so it's like for me, it's like I slowly take a bit from prop firm, then I put into my main account and I use the 3%. It's better than risking the 3% at the prop firm there.
So basically, the biggest challenge you faced was not having enough capital lah, and that was solved
No,
by getting a prop firm. How much do you make from your prop firm so far?
I think 2.3, 2.4 plus together lah.
It's good. What was your biggest payout from the prop firm? It was 1.8k lah.
Yeah, 1.8 lah, this one lah, the third time.
Okay, so what do you do in order to achieve these kind of results?
Risk management properly, and because I remember for my second payout that time, I got one time I think I missed your message saying step stop loss to be or something, then I lose that trade. Then I feel like very very dangerous because prop firm you cannot lose more than 4% in a day. So it's like
Understand. So basically, it was you managing the risk well, and of course setting your stop loss to break even to protect your capital
yeah.
with the high unit. Okay.
Then it's like one time you lose, if your trade don't go well, you lose around 60 pips. But you set B, like you take partial, it's like 30 pips. But not really for there to do anything, but just to protect your account. Protecting is the main thing.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes. Correct. The main thing is to protect your capital.
Yeah.
Okay. So Andy, have you ever felt like quitting trading or giving up in general?
Not really. Because this sort of is a skill for a lifetime.
Like even after, let's say, you lost money, do you ever feel like quitting
No.
trading?
You know, see, it's like even like you something like you climbing a mountain, you also will like step back and you go in front. So it's like if you want to really climb a mountain, you also need some time to go up.
So basically, just need time lah to be good at
Yeah,
trading.
just is the time factor lah.
Okay, very good. So do you feel that trading has a lot of luck involved?
Luck wise maybe a bit lah, but I'll say like if you don't have the skill like risk management, no point have a luck for that.
So you say trading not really much luck involved, mainly just you need
Yeah,
to be
not
good at
really
it with
much
skill.
luck actually.
Okay, understand. I agree with you. Yeah, trading is mostly more about skill. Of course, when I talk to other people, they feel that okay, sometimes trading involves a little bit of luck. Okay, at the start, yes, but if you want to do it for the very long term, for the very long run, then you definitely need skill. Like you can't rely on luck. There's no luck involved. So now let's just compare with when you first started trading and now, right? So what were your goals in the beginning, and how did that change after you managed to make a few grand, like few months?
Okay, for me actually, for me when I starting on my own, right, I was only like hoping like maybe one month is like I'm able to get 2,000 extra income. It's something quite good already. But for now I see that actually 2,000 is quite very little. I see very little. Especially with this profit thing, if you play well, then the profit thing really help to accelerate your journey a lot.
Okay, okay. So,
Because for now, I got one prop firm account, one main account, and the other account is purely for my own trade. So I'm managing three accounts.
but if you want to get prop firm, you just need to be careful lah. So, are there any actions you are currently taking in order to achieve, like, let's say 10K a month?
Backtesting a lot. Yeah, every time like yesterday, Nick is teaching about the SMC thing. Then maybe we'll try on my small account first or something. Because like what you said before, using a demo account is really like I got tried before using a demo account. It's like I think already I don't even want to see the demo account already because the money is free, so no point using it.
Correct. There's no emotional attachment, nothing lah. You wouldn't
Yeah,
really
that's
feel
why.
it. Yes. Okay. Can. All right. So Andy, I hope you can share with the audience here your truest understanding and feelings with regards to these matters lah. So I will be ending this interview off with three very important questions. Okay.
Okay.
So question number one. Let's just say there is a complete beginner watching you right now. What would you say to them?
Okay, you can start small like what you say 1,000 USD. Then more importantly, risk management. Don't play like gambling. If you really want to learn this forex thing, just really do your risk management and slowly. Since we got a guardian of Kalisto here,
So, what do you want to say? Okay, question number two. What do you want to say to the people, like, let's say they're sitting on the sidelines, not sure whether to join us?
because can understand that not everyone like this type of lifestyle. Maybe some people like to live just just normally like 9 to 5 job. So when you start out, you will earn very little by little by little. But the slowly when your account grow bigger, then you can win more. Don't too focus on the winnings at first, but more focus on your journey, like learning all the risk management, all these things first.
What would you want to say to the people, let's say they're sitting on the sidelines, not sure whether to join Kalisto or not?
Okay, I'll say if you want to really learn this trade, then you just even if you lose this 1K, but the possibility is really very low lah. From you see from my journey until now, I didn't even lose that more than 10% of my account lah.
Okay, and you have been profitable so far since joining us lah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's good. Right. So one last question, Andy, right? So what specific thing in the Kalisto Premium channel is the most important in getting success? What do you think it is?
Risk management.
Must pick your trades wisely lah. Know when to. That's why it's all down to risk management. Like you know which trades you can risk a bit more, which trades you can risk a little bit less, so and so forth. Lah. All of these come with exposure. Wow, very good, Andy. Okay, so is there any last words would you like to tell to like all the viewers and audience watching us right now?
No, it's okay. Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, can. Right, so thank you so much, Andy.